I'm the most popular emoji. All these Gen Alpha kids love to use me when things are cringe, annoying, weird, literally anything. Nobody, I'm the most popular emoji. Oh, you're not? Whenever something's funny, who do you think Gen Z chooses? This guy right here. Funny how you mentioned funny. Bro, nobody uses you anymore. 30 million Facebook moms say otherwise. Why do they use you? Why? You're so cringe. What's that noise? You people mean nothing to us. Who are you? Show yourself. Smiley Brownie. Let's show them how it's done.